Hi, welcome to Infrared. I've had a few people requesting that we build one of these circuits up and test it out. So you've probably seen this on Paranormal Lockdown. So it's basically a movement detector. So with 8 modes, 8 LEDs. So we'll start with mode 1. So when I pass over my hand, it's like a light. This is a light tile, so you can connect more than one of these devices together. So that like trails in the direction the light passes, and then the LEDs decay. Right, I've not had much chance to get used to this, so this is mode 2. Let's see what this does. So that senses, you can guess, it can trigger each one of these independently, and then the LEDs will decay again in the order that there was illuminated. So mode 3, so that's just a quicker decay on the movement. Mode 4, so it's a follow and flash, so you can see which way the movement came from, whether it be left or right. Mode 5, it's more of a random pattern. I think it still detects the, or does it? Doesn't necessarily, just think it's a random flashing of movement. Mode 6, that's a quicker decay still. It just seems to throw up an odd light when I pass over it. I'm not probably reaching over it all the way. Number 7. Right, looks like these are on, so they extinguish when they're passed over. I'm trying to show you that by passing over the sensors. Like that. Number 8, the last mode. So it looks like these are, I can light these. Let's see if they decay. Probably extinguish in a moment. Yeah, slowly but surely. And the sequence there was illuminated. Okay, thanks for watching. If you've got any questions about the item, they're quite expensive for us to buy and to build, so it's unlikely that they'll be added to a store. We'll probably do them as a kit for your own assembly. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share.